At sa huli, laging nananalo ang nagpapatawad. This is how I want to end this year. Gentle and calm. One of my quiet times with God, I ask Him to examine my heart. I want Him to expose my heart. Kasi alam kong hindi ko maipapanalo ang mga bagay na hindi ko binibigay sa Kanya. I know it's hard, sobrang mahirap. Yung tipong kahit masakit pa, isusuko mo na lang sa Kanya. Pero I suddenly realized that at one point, I was also in the same exact position who needed the grace and forgiveness. And guess what? Inabot ako ng Diyos at pinatawad ako. Makakatakas ba sila sa consequences when I forgive them? No. Makakalimutan ba ni Lord na nasaktan ako when I forgive? No. Pero payapa na ang puso mo. Mas magaan na, mas masaya na.